first part of experiment 4, you will be working on preparing your solution. So the ability to prepare a solution with accurately known concentration is a very important skill in the chemistry department. So concentration is often expressed in terms of molarity, which is denoted by the capital M. And as we know, molarity is moles of solute over volume of solution in units liters. In the pre-lab exercise, they are asking you what mass of potassium iodide is required to prepare 100 milliliters if a 0.2 molarity Ki. So if we bring out our molarity equation, it is molarity is equal to moles over liters. So since they're already giving us the molarity, all we have to do is find the mass. So since we know molarity is 0.22, and we're going to be finding out our moles, and they have given us milliliters already. So here we have to convert our milliliters to liters. So we're going to do that over here. We know that for every 1 liter there's 1,000 milliliters. So that gives us 0.1 liter of solution. So we're just going to put that over here. We're going to multiply in order to get moles. So we end up getting moles is equal to 0.02 moles of Ki. So now in order to go from moles to mass, which is what they're asking for, we have to multiply by the molar mass. So we have this much moles of potassium iodide, and if we multiply it by the molar mass of potassium iodide, which is 1.6601 over 1 moles, we get 3.32 grams of potassium iodide. That's the first part. This is how you get grams from molarity. So the second question is, to what volume must 20 milliliters of a 0.2 molarity potassium iodide solution be diluted so that the final concentration is 0.08 molarity of potassium iodide? So they give us what we have already prepared. So let's start with that. If we have 20 milliliters and 0.2 molarity, and we're trying to find out the volume. So we're already given 0.800 molarity of potassium iodide. We have to solve for our volume. So it's going to be 20 milliliters times 0.2 molarity divided by our final molarity that we want to produce. And we'll get our volume. So once we calculate this out, our final answer should be 50.0 milliliters of potassium iodide. That's how much volume we'll need in order to produce a 0.08 concentration of potassium iodide.